Good morning, friends. How are you this morning? Let's get that sunshine in here. So tonight was the first night, or last night was the first night I slept at a Walmart. And this one was in Lynn Haven, Virginia, just outside of Virginia Beach. Let me see, you can see Walmart over there. There was a sign. A lot of the Walmarts do let you sleep in their parking lots. Just gotta check and read the signs. This one did say there's 24-hour RV parking permitted. So I pulled right in here and slept right here. I slept great. It was amazing. Some Walmarts do not let you sleep in their parking lots. It just depends on the Walmart. So some of them you just gotta ask if there's no signage. Just ask, or just go to sleep and hope you don't get a knock on the door. But this was the first one I slept in. Heading back to Virginia Beach today. So we'll see you at the beach. You guys, I just booked a parasailing adventure for today at Virginia Beach. I'm gonna do pirate parasailing. Go 1,000 feet up. I've never done parasailing before. I've always wanted to. So I'm excited. I have a 1 p.m. appointment to go parasailing. And there's the information if you want to go yourself. It's Pirate Parasailing. Phone number is there and website is there. And if you look online, it won't say that you can go single. The only option was 2, 4, or 6 or something like that. But if you call them, then they'll set you up as a single rider. That's what I did. So single is an option. Just online, it doesn't show as a single rider. So give them a call if you're solo like me. See, if you want to sleep in a Walmart parking lot, these are the signs you want to look for. So this one does say you can stay here for 24 hours, which is great. So I just slept right over there. Look at this mural, that's neat. Very cool. We use this as a thumbnail maybe? Heading to the Parasailing Center in Virginia Beach. There's another mural, an octopus in a ship. Lots of neat murals in Virginia Beach. Ooh, look at that one. Turtle on the... Ooh, geez, they're everywhere. Fisherman, turtle. One over there. There's one there. They're everywhere. I like Virginia Beach. That place looks cool. And even their crosswalks are neat. Colorful. Be kind. Everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about. So true. So true. There's one over there as well. Looking at the map for the Parasailing Center, it looks like you start like at in an inlet, and then they take you out to the ocean. Pretty cool. It says it's an hour long, but the flight's only like 10 to 15 minutes, but they say it's an hour long, so you obviously ride the boat somewhere. Cool. All right, we have made it to the destination. Parasailing, wahoo! I think I parked somewhere right over here. Alright, got my parking spot reserved for pirate parasailing. That's me. And there's the building. We're gonna do pirate parasailing. Pirates parasailing. But I think that might be where we do the pirate sailing, where the pirate man is. Maybe on those boats over there. This is cute out here. These little Restaurant and Cabana Bar. Pirates, come on in to sign in. We're here at Pirate Parasailing. Taking a video of your cups and I like it. Alrighty, we're getting ready to parasail. I just checked in inside my waiver and I think we might be riding those boats over there. Maybe. Alright, we're going parasailing. Woohoo! There's also fighter jets in the air. If you hear noise, it's fighter jets. even the inlet. Oh my god, that's awesome! Helicopter, wow, submarine, that's cool. So we just went up in the air, it was awesome, parasailing. Just getting back now. It was awesome. Back to the dock. There's the number if you want to go parasailing. Kayakers over there.
There it is.
Thank you, have a good one. And there's the boat. You land right on this flat section of the boat here in the back. Just went parasailing and it was amazing. So much fun. here. Look at this boat. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, pirate, it's been fun. Have a good one. See you later. Well, that parasailing was very nice. A nice and relaxing boat ride and a nice smooth sailing parasailing ride. It's my first time doing it. It was very fun. And heading to the beach now.
Turn left onto Pacific Avenue.
Turn left. To go swimming. I'm ready to go swimming. I'm hot as heck. Even though it was so cold yesterday, I could barely stand it. I'm going again. Here's a look at the Atlantic Fun Park from the road. Not open quite yet. It opens at 3 o'clock. Yeah, there are murals all over the city. I love it. Even the 7-Eleven has one. So this is the 7-Eleven here. Look it. There's a mural there. And a mural down there. How cool. All right, the beach is just over there. I'm gonna go down and go swimming. Oh, there's another one. Eel. Another view of the Nightmare Mansion mural from yesterday. Also, if you didn't see yesterday's vlog, go check that out on my channel. I need to get in the water. I am hot, 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 hot. Back at the beach. We made it back to the beach. I gotta go swimming. I'm hot. Whew. Got paddleboarding out there. Oh, yes. Very, very cold. All right, I just went for a swim. It was so cold, but it feels good once you get in there. Once you're under, it's fine. But it's cold. But now I'm nice and chilled. Felt great. Felt really good. The waves. Got some horses on the beach. Horses. Hey, beautiful. That's cool. You can rent these cool little four-wheel bicycles, whatever those things are called. Beach cruiser or whatever. All right, the beach was great. Needed some sun in my life. So yeah, you can rent these four-wheeler bikes. Sherry's Bicycle and Blade Rentals. A beach cruiser, that's what they call them. Beach cruiser. Nice, you can rent rollerblades and bicycles. This one's kind of near, I think, the 24th Street entrance to the beach. 24th Street is where that is. And at 26th Street, the 26th Street entrance looks like that's where you can ride the horse, get on the horses. Virginia Beach horseback. And here's the information if you want to do the horseback rides. 30 minutes, $60. 60 minutes, $80. And that's at the 26th Street entrance. 26th Street. And I'm just taking a stroll on the boardwalk. There's this crazy statue down here. I want to go see what that's all about. But hotels and hotels and hotels and hotels all along the boardwalk, non-stop. We're getting closer to the statue. We're almost there. I still don't know what it is, but we're almost there. And you will find this statue at the 31st Street entrance to the beach. Very neat. Got a turtle there. Cool. Got some palm trees down here as well. Cool. Got some fishies. I was wondering, because I kept seeing this image on magnets at the stores. I was wondering what the heck it is, but that's what it is. Neptune, Virginia Virginia Beach. Pause that to read it. Some more information. Neptune, Virginia Beach. Here's the sculptor's name. 2005. Got some fish. Along the back side, you got some, looks like whales. Got a crab. Oh, those are dolphins. Dolphins. Some fishies. And there's also an octopus. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Just notice the details of the eyes are really nice. I don't know if it shows on the camera, but the eyes of both the turtle and the guy and the fingernails, look at those. It's really neat. The eyes are like gold. The statue is actually near Catch 31 Fish House in Bar. This fountain outside the Hyatt House is pretty neat. Look at that. Pretty cool. And then right across from that, under this garage, there's this really neat painting here. Pretty cool. And here's the artist. Kelsey Witt. Got a Ben & Jerry's. A Ben & Jerry's store. Nice. It's right across from the Courtyard Marriott. Ben & Jerry's. Cool. The store right here. One thing that's nice about Ben & Jerry's is that they have dairy-free, vegan, basically. Dairy-free and vegan. Love. That's cool. It's quite interesting. At this quick food market, it says buy Bitcoin here. Bitcoin of America. Interesting. Also, does anyone else watching have Bitcoin or cryptocurrency? I do have some. And I have a fair amount actually, and some NFTs. Let me know in the comments if you have crypto or NFTs. All right, we are back to where I parked. So almost back to the van. What do I gotta do? Oh, I gotta do something. Can't remember. Probably edit a video for you guys. But that's the end of my Virginia Beach part of the trip. Heading to King's Dominion tonight, and I'll be there for 2 days. So next up, King's Dominion. It's about an hour and a half away, an hour and a half drive from here. All right, I got two more things here at the Virginia Beach. We got another magnet, because I wasn't sure if I was in love with that other one. Ooh. So I got this magnet. I really like this one. And then I got this little turtle. Like a little, it said handcrafted in Ecuador on the other one. One of them in the store, but it's a little turtle for my dashboard. It's so cute. The magnets were only $5, so I got another one, and this was only $5 too. So I got a little hand-knitted turtle made in Ecuador for the dashboard. Oh, there it is. Handmade in Ecuador, saving one turtle at a time. All right, I am a little red, huh? We're leaving Virginia Beach now, heading to King's Dominion, back in the van. Wahoo! Look at this beautiful sunset.